नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तवृंद. Enunciating text 14, text 15, text 16 and text 17 of chapter 19. The killing of the demon Hiranyaksha of 3rd canto, the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 14. तदोजसा दैत्य महाभटार्पितं चकास दन्तः ख उदीर्ण दीधीति चक्रेण चिच्छेद निशात नेमिना हरिरयथा तारक्ष पतत्र मुज्झितम. Hurled by the mighty demon with all his strength, the flying trident shone brightly in the sky. The personality of Godhead, however, tore it to pieces with his discus Sudarshana, which had a sharp-edged ring, even as Indra cut off a wing of Garud. The context of the reference given herein regarding Garud and Indra is this. Once upon a time, Garud, the carrier of the Lord, snatched away a nectar pot from the hands of the demigods in heaven in order to liberate his mother Vinta from the clutches of his stepmother Kadru, the mother of the serpents. On learning of this, Indra, the king of heaven, hurled his thunderbolt against Garud. With a view to respect the infallibility of Indra's weapon, Garud, though otherwise invincible, being the Lord's own mount, dropped one of his wings, which was shattered to pieces by the thunderbolt. The inhabitants of higher planets are so sensible that even in the process of fighting, they observe the preliminary rules and regulations of gentleness. In this case, Garud wanted to show respect for Indra. Since he knew that Indra's weapon must destroy something, he offered his wing. Text 15. Brukane स्वशूले बहुधारिणा हरेः प्रत्येत्य विस्तीर्ण मुरो विभूतिमत प्रवृद्ध रोषः स कठोर मुष्टिना नदन् प्ररत्यांतर धीयतासुरः. The demon was enraged when his trident was cut to pieces by the disgust of the personality of Godhead. He therefore advanced toward the Lord and, roaring aloud, struck his hard fist against the Lord's broad chest, which bore the mark of Shrivatsa. Then he went out of sight. Shrivatsa is a curl of white hair on the chest of the Lord, which is a special sign of his being the Supreme Personality of Godhead. In Vaikuntha Lok or in Golok Vrindavan, the inhabitants are exactly of the same form as the Personality of Godhead. But by this Shrivatsa mark on the chest of the Lord, he is distinguished from all others. Text 16. Tenetha mahatah क्षत्र भगवानादि सुकरः न कंपत मनाक् क्वापि स्रजा हत इव द्वीपः. Hit in this manner by the demon, O Vidur, the Lord who had appeared as the firstborn did not feel the least quaking in any part of his body, any more than an elephant would when struck with a wreath of flowers. As previously explained, the demon was originally a servitor of the Lord in Vaikuntha, but somehow or other he fell as a demon. His fight with the Supreme Lord was meant for his liberation. The Lord enjoyed the striking on his transcendental body just like a fully grown-up father fighting with his child. Sometimes a father takes pleasure in having a mock fight with a small child, and similarly the Lord felt Hiranyaksha striking on his body to be like flowers offered for worship. In other words, the Lord desired to fight in order to enjoy his transcendental bliss. Therefore, he enjoyed the attack. Text 17. Athorudha srujan mayam योग माहेश्वरे हरौ ह्याम विलोक्य प्रजास्त्रस्ता मे नीरे असयोप संयमम. The demon, however, employed many conjuring tricks against the personality of Godhead, who is the Lord of Yoga Maya. At the sight of this, the people were filled with alarm and thought that the dissolution of the universe was near. The fighting enjoyment of the Supreme Lord with his devotee who had been converted into a demon appeared severe enough to bring about the dissolution of the universe. This is the greatness of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Even a wavering of his little finger appears to be a great and very dangerous movement. For the inhabitants of the universe. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.